Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to draw a Ford Mustang Dark Horse. First, let's establish the car's foundation. Begin by lightly sketching a rectangular box to define the overall length and width of your drawing. Divide this box into 3 equal sections to help position the front, middle, and rear of the vehicle accurately. Next, draw a central horizontal line for the eye level and a vertical line to mark the front center. Now, gently outline the main body shape, including the hood, roofline, and trunk, using simple geometric forms. Now, let's bring out the unique character of the Dark Horse. Pay close attention to the distinctive grille, which boasts an aggressive mesh pattern. Sketch the sharp, angular LED headlights, ensuring they contribute to the car's powerful and focused expression. Outline the prominent side scoops and the muscular fender flares that give the Dark Horse its athletic profile. Don't forget the iconic tri-bar taillights, making sure their shape and spacing are accurate for that authentic look. With the main features in place, it's time to refine your drawing. Carefully go over all your initial sketch lines, making them cleaner and more confident. Begin to add basic shading to define the car's contours, creating a sense of three-dimensionality. Pay close attention to the wheel wells and the intricate design of the 5-spoke wheels, adding their unique details. Finally, introduce subtle shadows beneath the car to ground it and enhance its powerful presence on the page. For the final touches, let's make your Dark Horse truly pop. Enhance the contrast by deepening your shadows and brightening your highlights, creating a dynamic and realistic effect. Add subtle reflections to the windows and body panels to simulate the car's glossy finish. You might consider a simple ground plane or a subtle background to complete the scene. Finally, take a moment to review your drawing for any areas that need further refinement or detail, ensuring your masterpiece is complete.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.